Hey students, I wanted to go over that cylinder problem one more time just so you have this video in your bag of goodies to go look at if you need a review. So here's what's going on. I'm trying to find the surface area of this cylinder. The surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r squared, 2 circles, plus the circumference 2 pi r times the height. Because again, when you cut this into pieces, you've got 2 circles, and then the circumference, this piece is the circumference, by the way. Oops, excuse me. This piece is the circumference. The circumference and the height make a rectangle. So that's all we're doing. 2 circles plus a rectangle would be the total surface area of this dude. So here's the problem. I'm going to tell you the radius is 2x plus 3. I'm going to tell you the height is x plus 8. Now there is a harder problem where I say the height is double. Okay? So if that were the case, if the height were double, then you just take these pieces and you double it. So if that were the problem, then you'd say 4x plus 6, okay? But that is not the problem we're doing right now. We're doing this one, okay? Best case, or the best thing you can do, friends, is write the whole thing out. So we got to go 2 pi bracket. The radius is 2x plus 3 squared plus 2 pi times the radius, which again is 2x plus 3, times an x plus 8. Ooh, look at that, almost ran out of room. Okay, so I got 2 poly boxes to make here. Here we go. So I'm going to make a 2 by 2 poly box. I got to take 2x and 3 times 2x and 3, and then I got to take 2x and a 3 times x and an 8. Okay, here we go. I got my 2 poly boxes. I'm doing this on scratch paper, so I'm kind of writing small. Apologize. So we'd have a 4x squared, a 6x, another 6x, and then a 9. So this whole thing would turn into a 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. This whole thing, 2x squareds. Let's see here, we'd have a 16x, we'd have a 3x, and then we'd have 3 times 8 to get 24. This whole thing would turn into a 2x squared plus a 19x plus a 24. Okay, so multiplications are accounted for. So we basically did this whole thing, and it turned into that. We still got to do that plus 2 pi. We did this whole thing, and it turned into that. We still got to take it times 2 pi. Now you can go ahead and do times 2 pi, times 2, you can do like 6 distributions, or you can combine. There's kind of a weird rule here, friends. If they're both being taken times 2 pi, guess what? You can simplify and put these ones together, okay? So I'm going to put this group and this group together in one group, okay? 4x squared, 2x squared would be 6x squared. 12x plus 19 would be 31 x's. Oops, 31, excuse me, got ahead of myself. And then 9 plus 24 would be 33. Okay, so 4 things plus 2 things is 6 things. 12 plus 19 is 31. 9 plus 24 is 33. And then we take everything times 2 pi. Basically double everything, and then you stick a pi in the end. I can't remember if I do pi x squared or x squared pi. I think technically, since pi is a number, it's supposed to go first. So here we go. We'd go 12 pi. Okay, 2 times 6. The pi comes along for the ride. Treat pi like a variable. Okay, so here's your first piece. Next piece, we'd have a positive 62 pi x. And then we'd have a positive 66 pi. Gross. Excuse me, I hiccuped a little bit. Okay, there we go. That's your final answer. Okay, so again, all the way from the top. Okay, put the radius in, put the radius and the height in. The radius squared and then the radius height will make 2 poly boxes. Do your 2 poly boxes. Drop them in to where they used to be, because that's what you did. You just did math. Okay, so replace them in the formula. Your 2 poly box results. Put them in there. Combine them, and then double pi all of them, and then you will be set. So good luck, students.